Hi guys, it is POCO C55 and today I will show you how to fix the problem when your game not visible in your Google Play Store, Mobile Legends, and we search it but we can download it. In the first step to fix it, if we search it but we don't have our Mobile Legend games, we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store, where we press on our photo on the right corner and navigate to the settings. In it we choose family and parental controls. Now we have PG3. To download Teamfight Tactics we want to change it to PG16 or PG20. To do that we press on it. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental controls. And now we can change it from PG3 to PG16 or PG20. We change it to PG16. To do this, we click on it, confirm by understood, and save. Now we can go back to our Mobile Legend games, and now we have it. We can install it, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.